This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Amazon Freevee app not working. So this is an Android and Apple tutorial, so follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you three solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first solution is just go to your Google Play Store and then over here, just go to the Amazon Freevee and tap on it. And guys, for the first solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now guys, for the second solution is just go to your settings on your device. Then once you are on the settings, just scroll down and go to the apps. And then from here guys, just find the Amazon freebie and tap on it. And from here guys, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there guys, you should be able to fix the issue. So now for the third solution, if any of the solutions I provided doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall Freebie on your device. So first uninstall the application on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, guys, you can just go back to the Google Play Store. And then from here, install it back again. And then from there, you should be able to have a working Amazon Freebie application. And you should not encounter any issue. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!